Okay, it's 1822 Penrose. See, we've got all our security bars on here, which are pre-existing. Front's looking good. Of course, it's looking good. It should be completely finished, pending the HVAC work they got to do in here. So we've got everything nice and clean, freshly painted. Security in here. Floors are nice and clean. Still need to do the carpets. Clean through there. Kitchen area. Nice and clean. I don't know what happened to my lights here. I don't like how that refrigerator kicks back out like that, but you've got nice kitchen space. Looks like they put a coat of paint on those drop ceilings, which makes them all blend, which is good. Backyard still has bags of trash to remove. Put a new fence across the back. Looks good. Somebody lost electricity in here, so I'll have to check with Kim on that. Needs carpet still, so I'm assuming that's going to be last there. All the banish